Ndewo, kekime. So today, anyị ga-eme 10 more common Igbo phrases, okay? If this is your first time here, aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubue, okay? Onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo, okay? Ihe abụọ ga-asụsụ Igbo. We've been doing a series, 100 most common Igbo phrases, and I've been getting most of them from your suggestions, okay? So please keep them coming. And if you get them to me early, I can then put them into groups because I like to sort of group them into topics and stuff like that. So just keep them coming, then I can just group them and then make the presentation. Right. Can you video? Today we'll be going with the most of the ones that Ganswood suggested, okay? Ganswood had a lot of telling of phrases, like when you want to tell somebody off. Okay, but it's good to know so that you will know when you're being told off or you know how to tell off your kids. Maybe they do something that they shouldn't do. Okay? So I give video na Kpachara anya gị. Kpachara anya gị. Okay? What's Kpachara anya gị? It means that respect yourself or take your time, or not take your time, no, because that means something different in English. It just means sort of respect yourself, be careful. Okay, so maybe a child is doing something that's naughty and you're like, Bacharanagi. I mean, this is maybe your last chance. If you do it again, you're going to get grounded. Okay, Bachara anyagi. Bachara anyagi. Okay, later on, I'll write them in the description. Kpachara anya gị. Oh, nke abụọ. Hapụ ya. Hapụ ya. So this is leave him or leave her. Okay. Again, this is maybe when children are playing and maybe one of them is getting maybe a little bit aggressive, and you're telling the one that's aggressive to leave the other one. So hapụ ya, leave him or leave her. Okay. Hapụ ya. Hapụ ya. Okay. Kwụsị osiso. Kwụsị osiso. So that means stop it now. Stop it. So literally, it means stop quickly, but you don't talk like that, do we? So it just means like stop it now. Kwụsị osiso or kwụsị ya osiso. Stop it now. Okay? Kwụsị ya osiso. Okay? Again, you're talking with your child, you've been giving them warnings and they've not been listening, and this is like your last warning. Like, kwụsị ya osiso. Kwụsị ya osiso. Stop it now. Okay? Mechie ọnụ. So mechie ọnụ means shut up, okay? We don't use it much, and it's not good actually to tell somebody to shut up when they have something important to say, okay? But that's what it means. Mechie ọnụ means shut up, okay? Mechie ọnụ, okay? And of course, you can use it teasingly. It doesn't always have to be when you're telling somebody off. It can be when you're teasing the person or they've told you something that sounds unbelievable and you're like, come on, stop it. Mechie ọnụ, okay? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Did you hear what I said? Okay. Okay, so most of this, because I'm a mom, I think I'm coming from the side of a mom telling a child, okay? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Did you hear what I said? Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Okay. Ngwa, gaa n'ime ụlọ gị. Gaa n'ime ụlọ gị. Go to your room. Gaa n'ime ụlọ gị. Gaa n'ime ụlọ gị. Or gaa n'ọnụ ụlọ gị. Okay? But gaa n'ime ụlọ gị works. Go to your room. Gaa n'ime ụlọ gị. Ozuola. Ozuola. It's enough. Okay? So again, you're telling somebody it's enough. So this can be adult, can be a child. You're telling them, okay, it's enough. Yeah, that's it. Ozuola. Ozuola. It's enough. Okay? Or I've had enough. Ozuola. Si ebe a pụọ. Again, cancelled. Okay? Si ebe a pụọ. Okay? So this means get out. Si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ. Get out from here. But it's get out, isn't it? Again, you can use it when you're teasing somebody. Again, they're telling you a story that sounds unbelievable, but maybe it's true. Like, come on, get out of here. So, okay, si ebe a pụọ. Si ebe a pụọ. Okay. Oh, sorry, that was my tummy. Gịnị ka ị mee? Gịnị ka ị mee? What did you do? Gịnị ka ị mee? What did you do? Gịnị ka ị mee? Okay. Kee ihe mere? What happened? Kee ihe mere? What happened? Okay. Again, maybe you meet two children having a little quarrel. You're asking them what's the matter. Kee ihe mere? What happened? Kee ihe mere or kee ihe? Kee ihe, what is it? Kee ihe or kee ihe mere? Okay. And before I end it, I just want to make someone wanted to know how to say I am Igbo. So the way to say it is abum onye Igbo. Okay, so this is bonus. Abum onye Igbo or mbo onye Igbo. So that means I am Igbo. Okay, mbo onye Igbo or abum onye Igbo. Okay, so that brings us to number 30 of the common Igbo phrases. Okay, and today we did phrases that you could use to tell somebody off, or when you're being told off, you know that you're being told off. Again, before I go, if you've not registered for the training, I'm hosting a free training in about 24 hours, okay? Because I'm planning to do a long-term Igbo coaching. It's a new thing, I haven't done it before, but I want to coach a few people over a long period, okay, over like 9 months, to get them like from beginner to very confident, okay, Igbo speakers, okay. And to hear more about this, I'm doing the free training just to tell you more about it. So you can register for that free training and come along and come and hear about it if that's something that interests you. Okay, it's not for everybody, obviously, because some people are nearly fluent and they just want a few lessons here and there. Okay, but if it's for you, you're a beginner, especially, and you want to just get down and get busy and just do it, okay? Right? I hope to see you there. Ngwanu, Godio, Nasquibo.